Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. So आपने okay बोला क्या? That means otherwise you usually do that ना? ठीक है. Okay, I hope you can see everyone. एक minute. Okay. So this is the questions. Amit, can you read the first question?
A object takes 20 seconds to reach the ground from a height of 60 meter on Neptune. What is the value of G on the planet?
Okay. An object takes 20 seconds to reach the ground. It is okay. इमरान can you mute? Mute करो ना. Mute किया. मैंने mute किया, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. So do not draw this. That's what I just said. Mohit, that is not funny. Okay, he is still trying to learn इसके बीच में, तो उसका मजाक मत उड़ाओ. वो मार्केट में उसके बीच में पढ़ाई करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है. I think I have so much respect for Imran right now, so that is not funny. Okay. First question is, an object takes 20 seconds to reach the ground from a height of 60 meter on Neptune, right? Neptune is a planet, not it is not Earth, it is Neptune. What is the value of G on the planet? Okay, so when you see this question, Shahid, can you tell me what are the things that you know, what are the things that are given in the question? Shahid, can you tell me? आप बता सकते हैं क्या क्या दिया है ये क्वेश्चन में? I'm waiting for Shahid. Shahid, can everyone hear me? Okay. If not Shahid, who can answer me? Whoever who know the answer can just unmute करके मुझे बोलो ये क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या दिया है. Okay.
Sir, time and height.
Okay, time is given. Yes, time is given. Time is given for what? Object to reach the ground.
Object to reach the ground.
और क्या दिया है?
And height.
Height from which it is coming down, है ना? ठीक है. क्या what is the value of G on the planet is the question. In this question, so what we will first do is, first of all, in Neptune G will be different. अर्थ का जी हमें पता है 9.8 मीटर पर सेकंड है, जो हम 10 मीटर पर सेकंड क्वेश्चंस में हम 10 मीटर पर सेकंड अस्यूम करके कर रहे हैं. नेपट्यून का जी अलग है. So let us take the G as Gn. So in this chapter, or something that you will always do is, suppose someone is asking what your moon का G, तो हम Gm करेगा. जो भी वो planet है, वो planet का पहला like first letter of that planet, we will use it as subscript. This is called subscript. ये किस लेटर के नीचे लिखने के लिए हम सबस्क्रिप्ट बोलता है. Okay, so we are using n as a subscript. So हम g को gn assume करेगा. So time to reach ground is 20 second. Height is 60 meter. Now you know that in this question it is dropped. Question में क्या दिया है? Object takes 20 seconds to reach the ground. उसका मतलब ऊपर से नीचे आने के लिए. तो वो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट और फर्स्ट वेलोसिटी, जब ऊपर से नीचे आ रहे तो फर्स्ट वेलोसिटी और इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 है. ओके, सो देन नाउ वी हैव द इक्वेशन. आवर इक्वेशन इज s is equal to ut plus half 0.5 at square. This is our equation. इसमें s मतलब क्या है? डिस्प्लेसमेंट है. हमारे इधर का डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या है? हाइट. ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है तो उतना डिस्प्लेसमेंट, उतना हाइट वो ट्रैवल किया, तो हमारा एफ एच बनेगा, u इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी का वैल्यू क्या है 0, 0 इंटू टी विल बी 0, तो हमें ये चीज नहीं चाहिए, ये चीज 0 है ना, ये चीज 0 है, दिस विल बी h एंड नाउ 0.5 a, हमारा a क्या होगा इधर, एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी विच इज gn, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड, ये हमें नहीं पता है क्योंकि नेपट्यून का हमें नहीं पता है, टी क्वेश्चन में दिया है 20 सेकेंड, है ना, सो h विल बी 60, gn हमें नहीं पता है, t विल बी 20 होल स्क्वायर, इन दैट केस जब हम नीचे आए तो when we come down, a 2 will, this 2 will go here, a 20 square will go नीचे, 60 into 2 by 20 square मतलब क्या है, 20 is multiplied 2 times, 20 into 20, so the answer will be 0.3 meter per second. Okay, how many of you understood this question? How many, if you have understood this question, please put a yes in the chat box, if not, please put a no in the chat box, so that I know how many of you understood this or not. How many of you understood? No, 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 no. Okay, seeing a lot of no's. Okay, in that case, I'll explain it one more time. Let's just explain one last time. Okay. Thank you for telling me the truth. So, first of all, हमारा क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि there is an object, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, that is we have an object that is falling, अगर ये ground है तो that is falling down, इसका हाइट दिया है 60 मीटर, 60 मीटर, और इसके लिए 20 seconds it took. Okay, now हमें, this is not happening in earth, usually हमारा questions earth में होता है, this is happening in another planet, Neptune. Okay, now the problem here is, what is the value of g on the planet, that is acceleration due to gravity क्या है, हमारा earth का gravity, earth का g हमें पता है ना, earth का g is we take it as 10 meter per second. For questions हम 10 meter per second square assume करता है, लेकिन इधर नेपट्यून है, नेपट्यून का जी हमें नहीं पता है, सो दे आर आस्किंग नेपट्यून का जी क्या है, नेपट्यून का जी को हम gn बोलते हैं. ओके, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू, इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन, कैन यू गिव मी अ थम्स अप, अगर क्वेश्चन समझे तो मुझे थम्स अप दे दो. Is the question clear? Yes. Can I get a yes from Nilofer? Nilofer, did you understand? Okay. Nilofer has given me a thumbs up. Shahid has given me a thumbs up. Okay. Cool. In that case, let's look at the answer. So we know that equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. So when we are dropping, this is ground, and when we are dropping something, ये स्टार्टिंग में इसका वेलोसिटी क्या होगा, स्टार्टिंग वेलोसिटी और इनिशियल वेलोसिटी विल बी 0, क्योंकि ड्रॉप करते समय, बिल्कुल रिलीज करने के पहले वो 0 में है, जब हम ड्रॉप करते हैं तो उसका वेलोसिटी ज्यादा बढ़ के जा रहा है, लेकिन व्हेन वी ड्रॉप उसका वेलोसिटी 0 है, सो u विल बी 0. इन दैट केस ऑफ आवर इक्वेशन s इज इक्वल टू ut प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर में,
सर s मतलब
डिस्प्लेसमेंट, in now this is something that we learned in 9th standard. S is displacement, है ना? Displacement means मतलब क्या? A distance from one point to another. इधर हमारा one point is this, second point is this, and इन दोनों का distance क्या है?
सर इमरान को बोलो
Height. Correct? It is the height. Imran, please mute ना.
इमरान को बोलो बंद करने को माइक
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay. So this is the height. Displacement मतलब क्या? कितना distance वो उसने cover किया. Drop करते समय इधर से इधर तक ground तक चला ना, तो उसका displacement क्या है? इसका height है. So suppose if you are dropping it from a building and बोला है कि building का height 60 meter है. This ball started from this point till the ground. तो उसने ये building का height cover किया है ना? And so suppose this height is 60 meter. So now you understand h is equal to half. ये acceleration हमें नहीं पता है, कितना acceleration वो नीचे आ रहा है वो हमें नहीं पता है, which is why we use as, अगर earth में है तो we use the g as 9.8 और 10. लेकिन इधर हमारा question Neptune में g हमें नहीं पता है, so that is what we are finding out. बाकी everything we know, so we put it, we take it to one side. जो जिसको नहीं पता है उसको left side में लेके जाएगा, बाकी सब right side में लेके आएगा, और then we get the answer. Okay? And is it clear now? Is it clear now? What did we do and how did we reach here? Is it clear now? Okay, if you have understood, please give me a thumbs up or kuch de do so that I understand. Okay, Amit is giving me a thumbs up. Rupesh is giving me yes. Can I see more reactions? Sharon is giving me a thumbs up. Thank you. Okay, someone has marked something. 60 into 2. Okay, is this a doubt? 60 into 2. 2 idhar aaya. And 20 and 20 niche aaya. So I'm just cutting here. 20 into 3 is 60. Na? So 20 I cut, 60 I made 3. 2 or 20 hai. So I cut 1 and either 10. So 3 divided by 10. 3 divided by 10 is 0.3. That is calculation. Oh, simple max hai. I'm not going to explain max now. बहुत simple hai. I hope you understood. So I can, if you guys have understood this, chat mein, Ritik, do you have any doubt? If you have, please unmute करके मुझे बोलो ना. I'm going to give everyone 10 seconds to ask doubts if you have. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So in that case, what we are going to do now is, 1 minute, clear all drawings. Okay. I want everyone to do question number 5 right now. I'm going to give you 3 minutes. 3 minutes I'll give you. I want everyone to do question number 5 right now. Abhi karna hai question number 5. Imran, you can just look into the question, okay?
Question number
5. The next 4 minutes. I'm going to give you 4 minutes. I'm going to show the timer. It's the same question. Just read the question, see what is same and what is different. I've put the timer. I'll stop it, correct, 4 minutes. If you have finished the question, you can put in the chat that you have finished the question. Okay. You have 5 minutes. Sorry, 4 minutes. Right now 25 seconds हो चुका है. Only the 5th question. If you finish the question, you can put in the chat. Tip there is 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So, you know, keep that in mind when you do the question. It's 1 minute now. 1 minute 25 seconds. Okay. Chat me, I can see. No, Ritik, please don't put the answer now. No? क्या है? Let everyone solve. You have 1.5. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. 1 minute or 30 seconds बाकी है. Initial velocity u will be पूरा आंसर नहीं मिलना है. I just want the approx answer. I don't want the full answer. Like point में नहीं चाहिए मुझे, fraction में भी चलेगा. Okay. Okay. I don't want the like correct answer. Okay. Like ठीक से answer नहीं मुझे चाहिए, like वो fraction में चले. Okay. So time is up. Time is up. Everyone, please listen here. Can I have everyone's attention? If you're listening to me, can you give me a thumbs up? Okay. Okay, I'm getting very weird answers. Let's see. Okay. An object takes 1 hour to reach the ground from a height of 600 meters. So if you were able to write down these many steps, can you see these steps? इतना steps, how many of you were able to write these many steps? जो क्वेश्चन में दिया है वो ऐसे ही कॉपी करने. How many of you were able to do? If you were able to do this much, मुझे एक thumbs up या chat में एक yes बोलो. Okay. So okay. H is equal to half.
सर आपकी आवाज क्रैक हो.
Okay. How many of you were able to write this equation? h is equal to half g and t square. कितने ये इक्वेशन कितने लोग लिखा? How many of you are able to write this equation? I'm seeing a yes from Shahid. Manish no. Shahid, I'm seeing a yes. Mohit is saying yes. Sharon is saying yes. Okay. How many were able to write? Let me write it. 600 is equal to half into n into 360 square. How many were able to write this answer? Itna, how many were able to write? If you were able to write, give me a yes in the chat or give me a thumbs up. तो भी चलता है. Okay. Yes. Shirin, were you able to write? Yes. Okay. Can I see more responses? बाकी बच्चे भी है ना इधर? बाकी लोग कहाँ है? Saloni, were you able to write? Shafiqur, I'm sure you were able to write. Okay. Okay. So in that case, आप लोगों का theory सही है. So good job. इतना लिखे हो तो आप लोग का theory सही है. अभी सिर्फ calculation का बात है. And I understand why this calculation would have been difficult. थोड़ा difficult calculation है. This question is difficult because उसका calculation थोड़ा difficult है. So I'm just going to write it here, and I will show it to you. 600 into 2 divided by 360. How many were able to write this step? 600 into 2 divided by 3600 into 3600. क्योंकि क्या हुआ है, ये 2 को हम इधर लेके गया, 3600 को नीचे लेके आया. How many were able to do that? इतना किया तो आप लोग का आंसर विल बी थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ये बहुत छोटे नंबर है. I will write it on the screen itself for you to understand better. एक मिनट. कहाँ है स्क्रीन शेयर? Okay. It will be 600 into 2 है ना? Divided by 3600 into 3600. This is how you would have written it. Correct? Now I'm just going to cut the 2 zeros. इधर 2 zeros है, इधर 2 zeros है. Okay. इधर 6 है. I'm going to cut 6 as 1 and 3000. 6 into 6 is 36. This will be 6. Correct? Now I'll be cutting 2 and 6. 2 into 6, 2 into 3 is 6. So I get the answer as 1 by 3600 into 3. This will be the answer. Now 36 into 3 will be how much? 72. So the answer will be, it will be a very, that's why I said आप लोग मुझे सही आंसर नहीं देना है, सिर्फ आपका इतना इक्वेशन सही है तो then your mistake was only calculation. This would have been the answer here. Oh, no, not this one. Sorry.
10800.
108. Sorry, I did 24. Oh, Alex, 10800. 10800.
सर
हाँ.
इसको 10.8 रेस टू इंटू 10 रेस टू -3 लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ, वो भी लिख सकते हैं. अरे यार मेरा करंट गया. Okay. But you are able to understand. Were you able to do till here? इतना तो किया है ना?
हाँ.
Then it is fine. I feel like you would have understood ये कैसा करना है. Okay. Shafiq, I'm just going to mute you. Okay. Okay. You were able to understand this much, correct? Is there any doubt in this question? The fifth question, is there any doubt? I found the square of 3000. Wow, that's also, yes. Hussein, tell me. Yes, Hussein, please tell me. You have raised your hand. Can you tell me why do you raise your hand? Others were able to understand. If you were able to get the सर करण गया तो अच्छा लग रहा है, आई होप मेरे घर पे भी जाए। अरे क्या बोल रहे हैं यार, करण गया तो अच्छा लग रहा है, क्यों करण गया तो अच्छा लग रहा है? ओके, लेट्स सी। ओके, cool. Anyway, so everyone was able to understand, so I'm going to move on with the second question. Hussein, I will raise the third question. Okay, तीसरा question में पहुंचेगा, लेकिन अभी we are doing second question. Okay, two people have raised hands. Can you tell me? Yes, Mohit. Yes, Hussein. If you accidentally हुआ है तो मैं accidentally हुआ है fourth one. Yes, we will reach there. We are going to go through the next questions. Okay, second question. Mass and weight of an object on moon is 5 kg and 25 Newton. Mass and weight of an object on moon is 5 kg and 25 Newton. What will be their values on Neptune? एक चीज का मून का मास और वेट दिया है, उसका नेपट्यून का वैल्यू क्या है? Assume that acceleration due to gravity on Neptune is 3 times value of moon. मून का g का वैल्यू, acceleration due to gravity का मतलब क्या है? This is g. नेपट्यून का g is 3 times value of moon. ठीक है? So let's just look at the answer itself. Let's not waste time. Mass at moon. Question में दिया है mass at moon is 5 kg. 5 kg. Weight क्या दिया है? 25 Newton. So weight at moon हम में Wm से लिखा है. Weight को हम W से एक्सप्रेस करता है, उसके नीचे में एक M लिखा है, उसका मतलब है this is weight at moon. Okay, अगर weight at earth है तो मैं what will I write? Who can tell me what will I write if it is weight at earth?
E.
E. Weight at Venus है तो
V.
V. उतना ही है. So weight is equal to mass into gravity. This is something that we learned. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Weight एक force है और इधर का acceleration क्या है? उसका acceleration due to gravity है. Even if you don't know any of this, इतना तो by heart करो. Weight is equal to mass into gravity. Weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Every time, in every place, जो भी planet हम in every planet. Okay, so here we are talking about moon. So weight of moon is Wm, or acceleration due to gravity is Gm. So 25, ये question में दिया है 25, mass is given as 5. So we can find what is the acceleration due to gravity of moon. 25 divided by 5 will be 5 meter per second. इतना तो हमें मिला. Now what we need to find in the question is, Karen has come back. In the question, we have to find what will be their values. Mass and weight in Neptune. Neptune में इसका mass और weight क्या है? उसके लिए so mass will be same everywhere. हर एक जगह पे mass same हो जाता है. मून या नेपट्यून या वीनस या सन या किधर भी हमारा mass तो same ही हो जाता है. So mass will be 5 kg. Weight will be Wn will be is equal to m into Gn, है ना? Gn. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या है? Gn is equal to the sentence. Assume acceleration due to gravity on Neptune is 3 times the value of moon, 3 times the value of moon. उसका मतलब क्या है, इधर gm मिला है, इसका 3 times मतलब 3 into gm is the value at Neptune. ठीक है, तो हम वेट फाइंड करेगा, wn is equal to m into gm, m दिया है 5 kg, 3 into gm, m का gm का वैल्यू हम इधर फाइंड किया है 5, so 3 into 5, so 5 into 3 into 5, you get the answer as 75 Newton. So only one equation is being used here, mass is equal to weight is equal to mass into gravity. तो पहला एक प्लैनेट का दिया, उसका g फाइंड किया, उसके साथ हम दूसरा का वेट भी फाइंड किया है. how many of you were able to understand this question? कितने लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन समझा? Fourth one, what about history and political science? अरे यार, we will discuss that. अभी साइंस है ना, just be अभी थोड़ा साइंस करो. Yeah, yes, Nilofer, you have raised your hand. What is the question? Do you have any question? Okay, I hope you understood. In that case, yes, is this not clear? Is that the problem? Okay, history and political science. Since you have asked the question, I will tell that now. I told you not to ask because abhi recording kar raha hai. So Yashaswini Miss will be handling English and SSC, right? Right now she is not joined. For her, like her correct time is actually July 1st. So when she will be joining, she will be starting. So don't worry, she will be starting both of this. Till then, I will be taking maths and science. So if we finish more topics now, she can have more time. That's how it works now. If we can finish some portions of science this time, and also we were not able to, पिछले साल तो उतना time नहीं मिला for science. So let's do this, Max. So let's do this now. When she joins, she will be taking history and SST and English. Okay. Hope that is clear. Now, if you understood this question, I'm not going to ask you to do it now, but if you've understood second question, you will be able to do sixth question. इसमें Neptune थोड़ा mistake है. This will be Y. Okay. Same question है, between 2 and 6 same question है. Instead of Moon and Neptune, I use the planet as planet X and planet Y. उतना ही difference है, और values में थोड़ा difference है. बाकी सब same ही question है. 2 and 5 are 6. 2 and 6 are same question. Actually, 3 and 7 are same questions. 4 and 8 are same questions. These are all very, very similar questions. So I will discuss the first 4 questions with you, and then you will be able to do first 4 and also these 4. That's how I have designed the chapter, the question paper. Okay, so let's do the third question. Because time is running out, हम जल्दी से करेगा. Third question: a stone is thrown vertically upward and reaches a height of 150 meter. एक stone हम threw it up और उसने it reached a height of 150 meter. 150 meter it reached. What was the initial velocity? That is, this was a ground and we had a stone and we threw it up. Now, ये तो इधर पहुंचा. This was the maximum distance. And then इधर पहुंचने के बाद ये नीचे आया. Right? If it goes up, it comes down. वो तो बोलेगा नहीं, लेकिन आपको पता है अगर कुछ चीज तो ऊपर जा रहे है तो वो नीचे आ जाएगा. That is it. So उसका height is, question में दिया है this height as 150 meter, 1500. 1500 is the height that is given. Correct? Object is there, it went up, reached the maximum height, then it came down. इसका initial velocity मतलब क्या है? This is when it started, right? When we threw up, that is when it started. तो उसका initial velocity क्या है? Initial velocity is denoted by the letter U. What is You is the question. Now, who can answer me when you're throwing a ball up and the ball reaches the highest point? What is the velocity at the highest point? Who can tell me what is the velocity of a ball that is going up and reaching the highest point? If you know the answer, please come off mute and tell. एक बॉल है, मैंने ऊपर बॉल वेंट अप, इधर से इधर गया, इधर का वेलोसिटी क्या है?
सर 0 मीटर पर सेकंड.
0 meter per second. Correct. I can see some answers in the chat also. Let me see. 0 meter per second. Correct. क्योंकि ऊपर think of it ना, it is going up. It is going up. So when it is going up, इसका acceleration is actually क्या है? Earth के विरुद्ध है. Earth नीचे पुल कर रहा है और ऊपर जा रहा है, तो उसका वेलोसिटी कम, जो भी जिसकी वेलोसिटी उसने स्टार्ट किया, तो वो स्लोली 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 0 बन जाएगा. 0 बनने के बाद वो नीचे आ जाएगा. That is how it works. Correct. So the velocity, final velocity here will be 0. So let's look at the answers. Okay. Height reached by the ball is 1500 meter. 1500 meter. Acceleration due to gravity g, I have taken as minus 10. Note here, I have taken as minus 10. Shahid, can you tell me why did I take it as minus 10? Shahid, can you tell me why did we take g as minus 10 and not plus 10? क्यों minus 10 किया? Shahid? Shahid.
Sir, can I tell?
No, that's Shahid sir. You didn't understand. Okay. Okay, Shafiqur, why don't you try? You explain for the class what happens when something is going up and down. Shafiqur, please explain.
Okay.
Okay.
So when the object is moving upward, it is not in gravity, so it will be against gravity, therefore it will be negative. And when it comes down, it will be positive.
हाँ, अगर सिंपल से बोले तो I've explained this in the lecture. मैं अलग से वीडियो बना के explain किया था. If this is Earth, okay, and if the ball is moving up, Earth हर एक चीज को नीचे ऐसा अट्रैक्ट करता है ना. So this is the ball is moving against the Earth. Earth का attraction नीचे है और वो Earth के विरुद्ध जा रहा है, तो उसका acceleration will be negative. विरुद्ध जा रहे हैं तो उसका acceleration हम negative करेगा. For simplicity आप लोग इतना ही सोचो, whatever that is going up, acceleration negative. Whatever that is coming down, acceleration positive. अगर if this logic तो नहीं समझ रहे तो इतना सोचो, जो भी चीज ऊपर जा रहा है उसका acceleration negative, जो भी चीज नीचे आ रहा है उसका acceleration positive. Okay, so final velocity we know v is equal to 0. So we have the equation. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. It is ऐसा एक equation है, and we all know this equation, right? So that is the equation that we are going to use. And either v square हमें पता है, final velocity 0 है. U square is what we are going to find. And then 2 to 2 है, acceleration will be minus 10. And ss distance or ss displacement. Displacement is what? कितना दूर गया, नीचे से ऊपर तक गया, उसका height कितना बोला? 1500 मीटर बोला. So this is the height. समझा? So अभी सिर्फ ये नहीं पता है, बाकी सब पता है. So we 2 into 10 into 15 will be 30,000. We'll take this. 1 minute. We will take this. So root of 30, u square will be equal to 30,000. U will be equal to root of 30,000. Now उसका value will be 173.2. और root तो आप लोग कैलकुलेटर में करो, कोई बात नहीं. This is a bit higher value. तुम लोग को इतना बड़ा वैल्यू नहीं आ जाएगा. तो वो मेरा क्वेश्चन है, उसके कारण थोड़ा बड़ा वैल्यू आ गया. वैल्यू विल बी स्मॉल. लेकिन were you able to if you were able to understand ये इक्वेशन, अच्छा किया. आप how many of you understood how I use this equation? Yes, Mohit has. How many of you have understood this equation? Like मैंने क्यों ये equation use किया और इससे क्या हुआ? Shirin is saying no. Okay. Can you tell me which part did you not understand? So just everyone please tell me in the chat how many of you understood and not understood. I will reach out to you personally. Okay, Shirin has said that no. Sarfraz has told no. So I will reach out to you personally. I'm just writing this down. किस किस को मैसेज करना है. So Shirin, yes.
You are not audible.
Okay, Sarfraz understood. Sachin understood. What about Manish? Manish, did you understand? Other people please tell na, so that if you did not understand, मैं आप लोगों को अलग से मैसेज करेगा. Sarfraz, I understood. Okay, Nilofer did not understand. Okay, ठीक है. ठीक है. Okay. Rupesh, ठीक है. Can I get more names? There are 14 to 15 students here. बाकी लोग भी बोलो, समझा? If you did not
सर मेरे
understand,
को भी नहीं समझा.
हाँ
सर मेरे को नहीं समझा.
हाँ ठीक है, मैं आपको ये इसके बाद बोलेगा. तो बोलो, और किसी को नहीं समझा? I'm going to give you 10 more seconds to type in the chat. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I am going to reach out to Shirin, Sarfraz, Nilofer, and Rupesh, and Manish.
Manish.
And Manish. After this call, I am assuming Mohit and the Mohit's Rohit, Sujaudin, everyone understood. Okay. अरे यार कौन कर रहे वो? Yes, Shirin, why did you raise your hand? Is there something that you have to say? If you have to say something, please say till now. No? Nothing? Okay. In that case,
सर मुझे 8 बजे करना, 8 बजे.
कुछ भी, guys, I'm going to end this now. If you're going to write in top of what I'm showing. Who's raising
Sir.
the hands? हाँ यार.
मेरे को 8 बजे करना, 8 बजे.
क्या 8 बजे क्या करना? कॉल में तो व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज ही करेगा, क्या करना है. ठीक है. वी हैव one more question, fourth one. I'm going to read the question fast and मैं उसका आंसर भी डिस्कस करेगा. Okay, we are still recording. Okay, so fourth one. A basketball was thrown up with a speed of 25 meters per second. Same question, just like third question. एक basketball हम ऊपर we send a basketball to ऊपर with a velocity of 25 meters per second. There was a ball. It went up. Starting velocity was 25 meters per second. What is the time taken for the basketball to reach the highest point? What was the height reached? कितना टाइम लेगा ऊपर उसका मैक्सिमम पॉइंट रीच करने के लिए, और इसका हाइट क्या है? दो क्वेश्चन है इधर. So for that, let's look at the answer first. Okay. So ball is vertically thrown upward. ऊपर गया है, सो उसका वॉइस नहीं, ओके, we will finish the lecture in next 5 minutes, Mohit. So the ball is going up. Going up मतलब उसका starting में एक velocity है, वो velocity है 25 मीटर पर सेकेंड, and it goes up and वो ऊपर में एक point को reach करेगा, right? That point, that final point में उसका velocity होगा 0. We discussed this in the last question. जो भी चीज ऊपर जा रहा है, ऊपर point में उसका velocity 0 है, so final velocity 0 है. Acceleration due to gravity -10, क्योंकि ऊपर जा रहा है, अर्थ के विरुद्ध ऊपर जा रहे हैं, तो उसका एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी -10 है. टाइम टू रीच द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट इज वी डोंट नो, सो वी हैव द इक्वेशन v is equal to u plus at. ये इक्वेशन हमें पता है, v is equal to u plus at. v is final velocity is 0. u we already know 25 meter per second, and acceleration is क्या है, -10, +10 नहीं -10, क्योंकि अर्थ की विरुद्ध जा रहा है. Acceleration is -10. टाइम हमें नहीं पता है, so 0 is equal to 25 minus 10 into t, है ना. 0 है, u 25 है, g -10 है, t हमें नहीं पता है, so we will take this 10t towards here. 10t is equal to 25, t is equal to 25, ये 10 नीचे आ जाएगा, 25 divided by 10 is equal to 2.5 seconds. ना
20 मिनट लगेंगे तो नाम नहीं पता लगा.
then next is height. Height is what, h is equal to ut minus half gt square. q माइनस आ गया क्योंकि एक्सल यूजुअली इट इज प्लस, राइट, ut प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर है, इधर अर्थ के विरुद्ध जा रहे तो ये माइनस हुआ, सो u is 25. इसका इनिशियल वेलोसिटी क्या है, 25. टाइम क्या है, वी फाइंड आउट टाइम हियर 2.5 हुआ, हाफ इनटू g क्या है 10, तो माइनस तो ऑलरेडी दिया है, सो 10 टाइम इज 2.5 होल स्क्वायर. Now then we solve it, we get the answer as 31.25. Basically we are using two equations. One is v is equal to u plus at. v क्योंकि फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 है, we know that. g हमें पता है वो -g है क्योंकि अर्थ के विरुद्ध जा रहा है. टाइम हमने फाइंड किया. हाइट के लिए हम यूज किया ut प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर, इधर माइनस आ गया क्योंकि एक्सेलरेशन नेगेटिव है, तो a will be -g, तो माइनस will come outside. 25 into 2.5 minus half into 10 into time we already found out. इधर find किया time, हम इधर लिखेंगे. That's how we found the height. I hope everyone understood this. मैं ये इसका answers इसके बाद I will share in the group. I will share the answers in the group. If you have not understood this question also, please put a no in the chat. I will reach out to you. Let me write down your name. So if you have not understood this, please write, tell no. Okay, Shafiqur is giving me a thumbs up. Shirin gave me a thumbs up, so I am assuming Shirin understood this. What about others? Manish is saying a no. Okay. Yes, I will share the video. What about others? What about others?